To borrow a line from Michael Corleone, just when I thought I was out, they pull me back in. To track down the mob, we all know the names Capone, Dillinger, Babyface Nelson, Marco Moro. Oh, Marco Moro? He's the head mob boss, rather the CEO of Mob Grill. So Marco, what sets Mob apart from those other burger places?
I came up with a secret marinade for our onion burger. We marinate all the onions as well as our fresh cut jalapenos in case you want to spice it up a little bit. But it sets it off. It makes it a sweet, tangy onion, and you don't smell like an onion after you've eaten it. You just go, wow, that was pretty darn good.
Aaron Cooper has a mob issue about how pretty darn good they are.
I mean, there's been times when I've gotten one, left, and then I'm like, I gotta come back and go.
You want another?
Can I get one more and just don't, it's just, they're that good.
Oh my God.
They're just unique.
Unique nails it. That's why Mob Grill is So6 Magazine's Okie Honor winner for #1 hamburger, #1 food truck, the Daily Oklahoman Reader's Choice 2017 winner for best fries, and top 5 food truck finalist the last 4 years. But somebody's got to make the magic happen in the kitchen. That's where Chef Anthony Reed comes in. Magic, right? Speaking of magic, what's Kara Rice, co-host of My Magic Morning Show, think of these burgers?
You've been making me wait, Jeff.
Let's see what it's like. Go for it. All of the state of Oklahoma is watching you eat right now. Your mom is so proud of you.
It's so juicy. Like you look at it and he really cooked it on that grill, but it's so juicy. And the onions do have the best flavor. That's the best onion burger I've had.
So you've taken that. Now, what about the French fries?
You've seen me trying these. These are the best. Oh my God. The double fry process, they're so crunchy. They're so crispy.
I kind of feel like you're on the fence about what Mob Grill is all about. Is it the bomb?
I'm gonna start moonlighting here after the show every day.
Marco's partner in crime, Seth Frenchy Fry Barker, reminded me about the sweet surprise. Sweet gourmand. Just look at that. Now, don't lick your TV, but even Tommy the camera guru thinks it looks good. Right, Tommy?
There you go. It looks good. All right, so here is the Twitter and the Facebook address. You gotta find Mob Grill. Let me tell you, you will not be unhappy because this amazing good food. And I see somebody kind of moving this way. What's up, buddy?
We made him an offer he couldn't refuse, eh?
Really? Tell him you heard all about Mob Grill right here on Discover Oklahoma.